Hey guys, this is Mark. In this video I'll be talking about transformations in Backendless Views. A transformation is a function that is applied to a column that exists in a view. These functions are built in and they vary depending on the type of the data that is returned for any given table. For instance, if the data type is text-based, such as string or text, then you have certain set of functions. If the date type is, for instance, datetime, which represents a point of time, then you have a different set of functions. Let me demonstrate how this works. Here I have a view that consists of 3 columns, and as you can see, they are city, organization name, and just name. The name and organization name, in fact, all of them are string-based. As you can see, the name comes from the source table person, and the name is string. You can see the data type right here. Organization name comes from the organizations table. The column name is name, and it is also string. And same thing for city, that comes from address. So all of these are strings. Therefore, when you apply a transformation, it's going to be the same set of functions that is available. How do you apply a transformation? It's actually very simple. When you move the mouse over the column, you see a bunch of little icons. For the transformations, it's going to be this one where you have 2 arrows crossing each other. And just click on that icon, and the pop-up shows up where you can apply a transformation. So for instance, for name, one of the transformations we could apply is bringing everything to uppercase. So just select this upper function, click save, and instantly you see that the data is converted to uppercase. Exactly the same thing will be applicable to other columns. But let's also add a column which is of different data type. For instance, in the table person, there is a column called date of birth. So we select this column, in fact, click plus. So now we have this one. But what kind of transformations do we get for the date time columns? Let's click transformations. And as you can see, there's a bunch of different types of transformations that these are specifically applicable to date times. Most of these are fairly self-explanatory. They really extract a specific element of the date time. So for instance, if we were to use year and click save, then this is going to be the year when that person was born. And in fact, for this to make more sense, let's assign an alias. And let's just call it year, or how about birth year. Click save. So now we have birth year. So as you can see, it is very, very straightforward. And for datetime, as you can see, there is a bunch of other transformations that you can use, such anywhere from day of month, week, year, hour, minute. Pretty much every single element that the date includes can be extracted using transformations. Once you assign the transformations, click Save View, and then if you go back to the data browser, then all the transformations are applicable and the data is returned according to the rules that you have set for transforming the value to a specific derived value, so to speak. And when it comes to using the view in an API, this is exactly the data that you will be getting back. So using transformations, as you can see, is very, very simple. And as a result, this video will be very short because all I was going to do is just to demonstrate how transformations work. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching this video. And as always, happy coding.